Hey there, friends! It's me, Learning Leo. Are you up for an adventure today? Come on, let's drive around and see what we can find. The game will show us all the different ways we can add two numbers together to get the number 10. It is super fun, especially when you play with friends, like we will be doing now. Let's do that again to really remember. Count to 10 with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, do you remember what addition is? Addition is when we get two or more different numbers and put their values together to get a greater number. We are adding because we are making a greater number together. But when we play Friends of 10, we find all the ways we can add two numbers together to get 10. That means we have so many more ways to discover. Can you think of another one? What about this group of 4 apples and this group of 6 apples? If we add 4 plus 6, does that equal to 10? Wow! Yes, it does. Count them. Those are 10 apples. 4 plus 6 is a friend of 10. What other friends of 10 can you think of? What about if we add 3 apples and 7 apples together? Do you think that would be equal to 10 apples? Is 3 plus 7 equal to 10? Yes, it is! 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is a friend of 10. Let's think of another one. Boy, there sure are so many ways to add numbers together to equal to 10. Math is wonderful. Oh, how about if we add 2 and 8 together? Do you think 2 plus 8 is equal to 10? Yes! 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 is a friend of 10. Now, we sure have found a lot of friends of 10. But I have a funny feeling that there could be one more. Can you think of what it could be? What combination of these numbers have we not made yet that would add up to 10? Yup, I think so too. Let's check if 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. There we go! 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 is a friend of 10. This game teaches us that there are many ways to think about math problems, and sometimes there are many answers that are all correct. We should think about math, numbers, and everything in our lives in a creative way. I'm glad we found our friends of 10, but I'm even more glad that I have you, dear friend. Thank you so much for learning and playing with me today. If you like this video and want to watch more episodes of Ride Along Learning, don't forget to subscribe to I Am Learning. You can ask an adult to help you if you don't know how. I hope to see you next time, friend. I'm Learning Leo, and have an amazing day. But when we play Friends of 10, we find all the ways we can add two I'm a singer.
Ready? And